Good morning, family. It is Tuesday. We are up. It's about 6:15. We are about to head to the pickup location for the bus. We're going to take the bus. It's like a charter bus to the Grand Canyon tour. Like I said, we're going to hit Grand Canyon. We're going to hit the Hoover Dam. They're going to feed us a couple times. We're going to take y'all with us. Look now, I don't know what y'all expected, but to the Grand Canyon, as you can see behind us right here. It's nice. like something back in the slave days. And that was funny. This right here.
This right here?
On that line today. Everybody's done. So we have about 15 minutes. We'll be out.
Is this, Ian, is this the eagle? Yeah, where is it?
So yeah, down to the right where the rocks come together in a V, kind of like that. That's the wings of the eagle.
Okay.
And the head kind of.
Makes so much
his
sense.
arms up like that.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
I was gonna say, a psychopath.
Let's just go ahead and check you in, baby. We're just gonna check you in when we get back to Las Vegas.
Log out. Oh, jeez. My sister done dragged me up here.
Isn't it worth it though? Thank you.
Okay.
You came all the way.
Family, we are back from the Grand Canyon. We're about to just be in the room for a little.
Oh, sorry.
Be in the room for a little bit. Some few things that we want to do on our checklist. It's on the itinerary, so we're gonna try to check those out today as well, or tonight. Grand Canyon was awesome. Recommend it. We went to the tour. It's like comedy something tour. Went to the Hoover Dam, Grand Canyon. They fed us breakfast and lunch. It was only like $155. I think it was well worth the price. And I'm not a person that wants to spend a lot of money, so you know, it was really worth the price. So, all right, fam. So we're gonna go to Secret Pizza. It's a secret pizza joint on the Cosmopolitan.
Yeah.
Cosmopolitan. So we're gonna try to find that, and also gonna check out the Chandelier bar over there, and then be on the strip some more. So we're going to Secret Pizza. Why you need a new mask, bro? Where you going?
To get another mask. Wow, you had all these masks all this time. I should have came and got a mask for you. I told you I had a mask in my room.
We're just gonna walk on the
You
strip.
had a
So
plug.
we'll be I got me a cookie from a Hershey's place. We went to Excalibur, just walked around there, and now we're back and going to. What is that?
It's so I put my rock in here. That's not what I was trying to do though. I'm trying to find this medicine.
Look at this dude. I hope you didn't drop it somewhere.
No, it's right here.
So, I think it was a pretty good day. Ended off with a cookie. If you like this video, and many of my other videos, like I said, please like and subscribe. If you have not seen the video from yesterday, or you want to see the video for tomorrow, it should pop up automatically. But if not, it's going to be up there, or might be like around here, whatever. I don't know. That's all for the people. Good night.